Yeah, nigga. Yeah. 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 Listen. Listen. Yo, it's Blood Gang, so my niggas, what's up, niggas? Zoo Woo, homie, know the blood, niggas. Soul love, nigga. Still got some prick niggas that might split your mash, nigga. I'm on some other shit, a different kind of path, nigga. And I never cared, nigga. Test me if you want, nigga. Raise your right hand, nigga. Luck is on a mission, nigga. Get it quicker, bullets hitting, bullets flicking, yeah, nigga. Luck in there. Adrenaline pumping for niggas thinking luck ain't running. I'm game over for niggas who think I'm dumping. Son, I'm bucking, and any one of you fuckers might get it quicker. Any one of you niggas that sipping liquor better be on your guard. You better not drink too much, nigga. It's all good. I'm in the hood swerving. Niggas low, hanging from all the motherfucking diamonds in my earrings. Niggas wishing they can fucking fuck with WC. But niggas ain't on the mission like WC. DUB, LUC, to the K at that. Matter of fact, niggas better get their gat and blast and spraying at niggas if they want to live. Nigga know it's nothing about me. Nigga spray at kids, nigga wigs missing. Niggas dipping, they tripping, I'm slipping. Hell no, nigga better just put in the clip in. If not, nigga, I see you missing. Sending you back to the river that your moms was floating in. And niggas be fucking with that nigga. But you don't understand, all that K is bigger. Bigger than 9mm. But y'all niggas don't know the dance, it's mad sweeter. When I come through, popping shots at niggas leave ya all over the floor. It's overseas. It's over, nigga. I see you later. Bullets is greater than anyone who is greater. Nobody's greater than luck, man. I'm in the savior. See the major paper. It's all about the game. The nigga thinking that luck, nigga don't maintain. I'm about my game, staying most. I'm about my thing. I do it hard for niggas thinking they ready, man. You see me, you niggas ain't me. You can't be like me, you can't be like me. Stop it, homie, before you get popped. Bullets will hit them up, bullets will hit your top. Hey.